Warning: it is important that before performing this or any other safety or service procedure on any Marathon product, that the person performing the work has both read and firmly understands the parts and service manual as well as the product operator's manual, including the detailed safety instructions that accompany this product. It is up to you to ensure safe operations and processes. You cannot outsource safety. If there is anything that's unclear or that you don't understand, do not attempt to operate the equipment or perform any of the service or maintenance tasks called out in this video. Quarantine the area, walk away from the product, and contact your supervisor immediately for clarification. It is also important to ensure you're wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment, hereafter referred to as PPE, before beginning this or any other service or maintenance procedure. This video is provided for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a comprehensive guide in any fashion. This video is not a substitute for proper training, qualification, and experience. Marathon makes no warranty, guarantee, or promise by virtue of this video or the information herein. Please see applicable Marathon product warranty statements. Please consult your workplace safety policies and relevant operations and service manuals. This video is intended to inform experienced technicians of generalized conditions that may occur on some units and to provide information that could assist in the proper servicing of a unit. It is solely up to each technician to ensure safety of the workplace and the work process. Always watch the video in its entirety before beginning any service operation. Hey, I'm Travis Wallen, the service guru here at Marathon Equipment. Thanks for joining me at the Service Shack. On behalf of everyone at Marathon Equipment, we thank you for choosing our line of products. Today we want to show you how to operate the Vert-I-Pack line of compaction products. This includes the standard VIP, untouchable VIP, and the new VIP 6FLFF compactors. Before we begin, ensure that you have the proper PPE required by your facility. At a minimum, we suggest eye protection, gloves, safety shoes, and earplugs, but always follow your company's PPE guidelines. If the compactor is operating, it must first be shut down by the standard stopping procedure. Warning: do not operate the compactor until the operating instructions are thoroughly understood. The following process covers the operating instructions needed to operate the standard VIP and untouchable VIP, and the VIP 6FLFF compactors. Prior to the startup of the compactor each day, check the items found in the daily list in periodic maintenance. This maintenance can be found in the operations manual shipped with your unit. After completing your daily preventative maintenance checklist, insert the key into the key switch and ensure the emergency stop is disengaged. Turn the key switch clockwise to the up position and hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. The compactor ram will retract to the top position and then stop. Next, open the feed door and place the material to be discarded into the compactor. Then close the feed door. The ram will automatically cycle down and compact the refuse. The ram will then return to the mid position and stop. This position helps pack the material down into the container. In the event of an emergency, or if you need to stop the compactor, push the large red emergency stop button on the control panel. If you have more material to discard, repeat these steps after the compactor has fully stopped. When you have finished using the compactor, remove the key from the key switch. When the container full light comes on, it is time to empty the container. Refer to the hauler information in your manual for next steps, and remember to always follow your company's guidelines. Now let's talk about some tips to help ensure maximum compaction on your VIP compactors. First, always place the refuse uniformly across the compaction area. Next, ensure that you always keep the feed door closed. This ensures that the ram has compacted the refuse and has stopped at the pack position, where it maintains constant pressure on the refuse. That's it. Now you know how to operate the Vert-I-Pack line of compaction products. If you have any questions, please contact Marathon Technical Services at 877-258-1105. Remember, we're here to help in any way we can. So be safe out there. We'll see you next time here at the Service Shack.